Okay, welcome to another edition of the DIY Camper Trailer Remodel 1970 Ideal. I don't know why I say that every time. It's like I have to remind you it's a 1970. So today, not a lot of big work being done. It gets kind of frustrating from time to time because you want to see major improvements, but sometimes you get stuck with just little things. And this is a good example. This is where the refrigerator went at one time, and the refrigerator was propane. But we don't want these on anymore. We don't have a propane refrigerator. We're going to have to redo all of this. But unfortunately, these screws have been stripped, the heads on them. So here's a quick little thing you can do. Just put a drill bit on it, and let's see, I'll try to get this one out. So what I'm going to do is just kind of drill right into where it would normally go. Okay, so if you'll notice now, I've drilled out the head of that. It's going to be pretty hot, so you don't ever want to touch it. I mean, you can if you want. I'm just not man enough to do it. Anyway, it's gone now, but we've completely removed that. And after we remove a few of these, find my hammer. And let's see if we got a flathead. So there's also nails in this thing as well. And that one's out. So what we're going to do is pause it for just a minute so we can show you what we do next. Okay, so we're back. All I wanted to do was take this off. I just took a saw, took that off. Didn't want you to have to watch that. But what it leaves is what's left of this screw up here. So how do you get that out? Here we go. Just pop it in here, get it tight, and just work it out that way. It's not anything we came up with, but it's an easy way to remove a screw once you've had it stripped completely off. So again, our remodel tonight, pretty boring, other than the fact it's a lot of detail work. Thanks for joining us. Maybe the next time it'll be a big day. We'll see you then.